All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again to give you another tip on real estate investing. The market is really tight. It's really hard to find deals. So what real estate investors do is they call it driving for deals. They'll drive around neighborhoods. They're looking for properties that either have a foreclosure sign on the front door, an unfit for human cohabitation, or the roof is really in bad shape, the windows are in bad shape, some of them are broken out, it looks like the property might be vacant. They're looking for particular addresses, things you're not going to find on Zillow, things you're not going to find on MLS, absentee owners, things like that. So find the address and then go onto the parcel viewer on KCK or KCMO, look up the address, and you can find the contact information of the owner. Send them a letter, contact them, and see if they want to sell their property. A lot of times it's just a pain in the butt property that they've kind of just left because they just don't have time to deal with it. So they're happy to unload it. So when you're really looking for deals in this market where there's just seems to be nothing on the market and you can't seem to find a good rehab project or a deal, go driving for deals or do what I do and go running for deals. I can mix in my exercise while looking for new properties and start to explore different neighborhoods that I don't know a lot about.